You know, I've spent over 30 years putting together names, dates, places, connection, information, all of which needed doing, but my passion is understanding who we are and where we are. It's extraordinary, I mean, it's almost funny when you consider what reality is compared with the way we experience it. This world is solid, right? Well, it turns out it's not. Everything that we experience is apparent solidity and everything apart from everything else, and yet reality is nothing like that. It's just the way we experience it. Why is this important? Well, it's important because if we don't understand the nature of the reality that we're experiencing, how can we understand anything?